Okay, so now we have our script and we're going to enter into a platform called Lumen 5. Now, Lumen 5 is just one of a number of video creators that you can use, and it's really fun. I've got the content that we downloaded before from our Chatgpt, tied it up just a little bit, remove some of the asterisks, for example, and the links. What we're going to do now is we're going to select this content and we're going to put it into our Lumen 5. Now this is Lumen 5, okay, and Lumen 5 enables us to create videos. Now I'm just going to choose this one for the sake of ease. Okay, we're going to use this template. Now what we could do is I could import the URL if I'd already made this into a blog. The other thing I can do is I can cut and paste my text into here. Now you can see here what it's doing is saying at the bottom, use the AI to generate a summary beta. I can use every sentence here, settle with using AI to generate a summary. So I'm going to do that because I want to just show you how this works. I'm less worried about all the individual sentences getting involved. Now what it's doing is it's going to create for me a video. It's going to look for matching words in the text with videos through its database. So you can see it's starting now to create for us a video. Now let's just see very briefly. You can see here it's already started to make me a video. Now what I can do if I just do preview of this, let's have a look and see, shall we? Okay, now in this case I've got 1.2 minutes, so still short enough. Now what I could do if I wanted to is I could change some things. So let's say I really wanted to include, for example, a logo. Well, I can, or I've got some colors of mine. Well, I can choose here a color palette. For example, maybe I want to do earth colors. There it is. Or I want to have citric. If you upgrade Lumen 5, you can pay to have your own palettes. So you can do that. We've got the watermark here at the minute just so I can show you how this works. Now, the other thing we can do, if we've got a particular font we want to use, we can do that. Let's say, maybe I want to make it into a collage, let's say here. Okay, so I can change these, and what I can also do is I could shuffle the colors, for example, like that. And what I can also do is if I want to, is I can add a voiceover. So we can add a voiceover if we want to. Let's see if that works. Let's see what happens if we do a voiceover.
Unlocking your golden years, why you need a personal wealth coach for financial independence. As retirement approaches, a personal wealth coach can help you achieve financial independence. They provide expertise, a customized roadmap, and help avoid costly mistakes. A wealth coach keeps up to date with tax laws, investments, and market trends. Working with a coach can increase your net worth by 2.7 times. They help diversify your portfolio and optimize investments for your goals. A coach crafts a tailored financial plan based on your objectives and values. 76 of retirees with a plan feel confident about their financial future.
Very
One-on-one
flexible,
coaching
very
ensures
quick,
your golden
really
years are
doesn't
spent on
require
your
any
terms.
technical skills at all.
Investors lost over
And
$4.3
you can see
billion
here
to scams and fraud
that
in 2020.
You've got
A wealth coach
video
helps you make
made
informed decisions
in
and analyze
less than
risk
5 minutes.
tolerance. They safeguard
These
your
are
wealth and
tools
steer you
that
clear
you
of
can use. There are
investment
others
fads.
as well, but that's so you can make a video just by putting text, and with no skills whatsoever, you can have your video just from text. Isn't that great? Okay, that's the end of this lesson.